Hey gang, welcome back to your review channel. Today we're looking at the Shark Cordless Pro vacuum. I want to do an unboxing, just show you a little bit about this vacuum, and then don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and we'll do a total test on the vacuum. But first of all, we'll just do an unboxing. Let's just see what's in the box. Let's take a look at it together. All right, here's what we have. All the components are all well packed, and the box is empty. Let's take a look and see what we have. So we have the actual vacuum itself. We'll call this the power plant. And you can see here the Shark. I love the Shark products. Been using them for a little while, and I wanted to get a cordless vacuum, and I wanted to just check it out. So here is the actual battery, as you can see here. So that's kind of nice. And it is removable, so if you want to get some extra ones, that's important. So you got that. We'll snap that back in there. Let's see what else is in here. Everything is wrapped. Combination crevice tool, as you can see here, and also you push this up and you have a soft bristle brush, and that is for lampshades and things of that nature. That's really nice. So you can adjust this up and down, as you can see, very easy to do. Just hit this button right here, just slide it down like that, and you got the crevice tool, and you move it back up again and you have the brush. So the two in one piece, they snap in real easy. That's what's in here. There's a nice brush here. This is an anti-allergen brush here, and you can see this does pivot. So this is a nice feature as well. You can see it goes back and forth just like that there. So you can use it this way, or you can use it this way, which is really nice. I like that quite a bit. And this is the vacuum itself. This does bend like this here. Like I said, this does like that. So you got a bending action here, so you can see that. See how that bends? It's got a flex hose there, which is very cool. And it locks in like that. That's interesting. I like that. And it locks like that. So this is called the flex to store. So if you want to store it, I guess you just put it away like that. Like that, you can see there. So hopefully you can see that. That's clear. Put that over here. And let's see what else we have in the package. So we have a power cord, you can see here. Here is a power cord. It's an AC, DC adapter, okay? And that's what that is. That probably obviously charges the vacuum. What does this say here? Pro Shark, you can scan the QR code, whatever. And then we have the power head. Really, really well. And I like this design. I like the white. And this is pretty heavy, I have to say. This has got a serious power head on it. This is a serious power brush. You can see the brush here. So it's got a combination of soft, and it's got this little rubber bristles here, so hopefully you can see that. So this does a combination of wood floors and carpeting, which is really nice to know. I like that. Also, it should be anti-tangling, so if you have dog hair, it's supposed to help self-clean, which is really nice. It does have a headlight, which is nice. And this is super heavy quality. So let's get all this stuff out of the way here. Let's take a look at what we have. If you're enjoying my content, please don't forget that super thanks down below. That helps support my channel. Everything I do raise in this channel does go back into my channel and do more reviews for you. Hey, thanks for tuning in as always. Let's get back to the review. What we have here in the hose. So you can see everything here is all laid out. You can see everything here. Well, you can see everything clearly. Let's push this back so you can see everything. Okay, so we have the power head. We have the anti-allergen dust brush, which is, I think this is actually a really nice feature. You have the crevice tool combination, right? Crevice tool and also duster. You can see here. See that? You have the main container itself that actually all snaps together. Doesn't seem like it's rocket science. Just kind of snap it all together. It doesn't seem too hard to use. You can see here. Hopefully you can see here. I mean, that's pretty much that easy to hook this up. And this is to store it. You just bend it over like this here. So let's just bend that over and take a look. So you can see here. So the storage is quite small. So you can see it compact. It stores right up. You can see like that there. I'm going to actually charge it up. We'll do some testing with it. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I just want to do this little quick unboxing. I want to show you about this vacuum. I'm going to look at the quick startup guide, check out all the information. I'll give you more information about the charging time, how long the battery lasts, things like that. So I just wanted to just give you a brief look at this device here, this vacuum so far. It's made quite well. And I've had some Dysons and I've had some other ones as well. And, you know, it is what it is. But everything disconnects. I like the way it disconnects. You can see that. So obviously they just connect like this. I mean, everything is pretty much, let's call it plug and play, right? Very easy to use. So you got all the options here. So that's pretty easy, right? So this is the main thing here. This is the power plant. And this is the thing we're going to be looking at. We're going to take a look at that. We're going to charge it up. We're going to do a full review. We're going to do a full test. We're going to check everything out and see how it works. This is how you empty it. I mean, again, this is my first time touching this, and it's pretty well laid out. Dumping it here tells you to attach everything, so it's easy to use. So far, so good. We'll take a look at it. We'll see what it says. Pull this off here. Have any power on it? Nope, no power. Okay, so we definitely have to charge it up. We'll give it a full charge. We'll go through its paces. We'll check it out. We'll see how it works. We'll see how it runs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You'll see everything from soup to nuts. We'll do some testing. We'll do carpeting. We'll do hardwood floors. We'll do a dump test and see how much it holds, and I'll give you my thoughts at the end of all that. And I'll see you at the next one, and hit that notification bell, and you'll be notified when this video is ready, and you'll see the full test on this Shark Cordless Pro Vacuum. So far, very well built. I have to tell you, it's a little bit better quality built than the Dyson. First overall impression, that's what I'm getting from this. That's the vibe. And we'll see how it tests. And really, the test is really, the proof is in the actual functionality. I like the handle. It's not too heavy, but we'll go over all that later. And that's just a quick unboxing of this awesome looking vacuum. See you at the next one.